Well, welcome back to GIS Analysis at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. In this application, we have timber inventory polygons in a geodatabase from Montague Island in Prince William Sound. Deer biologist wants to boat to the borders of an old growth, stand, and recent clear cuts. So what we need to do is find the borders between old growth polygons and seedling-sapling polygons, and then find the starting points we could boat to. So for example, here is an old growth polygon and a seedling-sapling polygon. Here's Prince William Sound, so we could boat to that location. And what we want to do is include the length of the border in meters in our point attribute table. So as a first step, we can create a layer of seedling-sapling polygons and a layer of old growth polygons. So we'll copy this layer and then paste it, and then we could do a definition query on these two layers. So our first layer, we'll do a definition query, and that will be stand class of old growth. And our second layer, stand class equals seedling-sapling. And then we'll give that some unique symbology. Our next step will be to use the intersect tool to create border lines between our two layers. So for example, here's a polyline between a seedling-sapling and old growth. So our next step is we need to create a polygon representing the entire island, because the shoreline of that island will be right on the ocean. So to do that, we'll add a field to our original polygons. We could call it whatever we want, and then we'll dissolve by that field. We'll give it some unique value. So I'll give it a value of 1. And then we'll dissolve, so we'll get one polygon representing the island. So we'll convert our border lines, just in case we may have multi-part border lines, to single-part border lines. And we'll add a field called meters and then calculate geometry to get the length in meters of each border line. So now we have one polygon representing the island. So then if we intersect our border lines with the island polygon and output to points, we'll get points that we can boat to. So here's the first candidate location we could boat to. And it's a border between seedling-sapling and old growth, and it's 168.3 meters long. And here's the second location we could boat to, and it's 66.3 meters long, old growth on the north, seedling-sapling on the south.